Hello friends, today I'll show you how to reduce image size in MS Paint. This is a JPEG file and its size is almost 3 MB. Right click on this image, then go to Open With and then Paint. This is actually a humongous image, so let's zoom out. Click on this resize button, then go to pixels, keep the maintain aspect ratio checked and fill the horizontal and vertical lesser than the previous one. Hit the OK button and then save your image. If you don't check the maintain aspect ratio button, your image can get stretched. You can see the size of this image is now almost 100 KB. The more you decrease the pixel, the image gets decreased by its size. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.